monitoring of visitors.
Hagaju kapor ka kinhon menteri ka Sorkar Jilla Jingiakren ru halor ka jing Sdang Pyntreikam ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ka badon ha USTM Meghalaya. Kanong ay kitien ka Sorkar bat ka menteri ka kot ka kya ikong amprin ligdo ilaong baka Sorkar kan habantaw ya ka an ban penla ya ka ni ka school ba ban Sdang ya ka Pyntreikam jong ka ni ka medical college bat ka hospital. Ilaong baka Sorkar ka don ka bor ban bud din ya ki benta ba pher kum ka jing benta ya ki seat ka bay class ki course bat ki way. Ila benrap baka kinhon menteri kan saya kendo biang hakatayo banwan shen hadien baka tenat ka kot ka kya kala IT ya ka jing mut ki jongka.
And others who are anyways entailed to help with the monitoring of visitors. So that is the first item that was taken up. The second item was the USTM. Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to function without a proper act in place, because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that Cabinet will again sit after the Health Department brings forward its plan for the act. And on Wednesday, we are scheduled to meet again with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter.
OMP